The opinion hasn't been filed yet, but the Texas Tech Student Government Association Supreme Court, that's right, we have a student Supreme Court, sat in these seats in the Hunt courtroom of the Texas Tech School of Law to hear oral arguments Thursday night between Luke Cotton and Forrest Stovall, the latest development in the Texas Tech Student Government Association 2013-2014 elections.
The court is now sitting, the Honorable Chief Justice Ralston Lane Royal presiding. God save Texas Tech University and this honorable court. You may be seated.
After the justices explained the hearing, Cotton's representative Sean Buckley offered his arguments to the court, one of which was that the result of the election was not determined by a single mass email.
And unfortunately for those members, the gap was too large and the bridge was too short.
A large portion of the hearing was devoted to finding out whether or not the Election Commission had overstepped its bounds in disqualifying Cotton and Jill Berger from their elected seats in SGA, and Stovall's representatives John Roddy Pace and Will Eccles claimed it did not.
In order to prevent forgiving violations, we believe that it is the court's job to read between the lines here and impose, or to affirm the Election Commission's decision to impose a consequence for this violation.
The court itself also participated in the arguments with their own information.
Assuming every single person in that complex voted for Bridge the Gap, Luke still wins.
The question of whether or not the commission created fault is a procedural one. Did the commission neglecting its duties make their own judgment invalid, or did they have the power all along?
And I would like to point the court back to 4.16. The Election Commission may promulgate rules and regulations to the extent necessary. We were looking for language that gives the right to change the rules, and this is that language that does so.
Buckley, in his rebuttal argument, disagreed and repeated his claims.
The Commission improperly considered hearsay evidence. Luke Cotton and Jill Berger did not have notice of these violations beforehand, and any harm done was negligible.
Chief Justice Rollo, after arguments were concluded, said to expect an opinion before Sunday night. Stay tuned to the Hub at TTU and MCTV for more developments on the opinion and in the 2013-2014 student government elections. This story is adjourned.